How does a service level agreement protect vendor contracts? Imagine signing a contract with a vendor and hoping everything goes smoothly. Now, what if things don't go as planned? That's where a service level agreement comes into play. It's like a detailed promise that spells out exactly what the vendor is responsible for. This agreement makes sure both sides know what to expect and what happens if those expectations aren't met. A service level agreement, or SLA, clearly states the services the vendor will provide. It covers things like how fast they respond to issues, how often their systems stay up and running, and the quality of their work. By setting these standards, it helps prevent misunderstandings about what the vendor should deliver. From a legal point of view, an SLA adds a layer of protection to the vendor contract. It includes specific performance goals, like maintaining 99.9% system uptime or responding to support requests within 2 hours. These measurable goals make it easier to hold the vendor accountable if they fall short. The SLA also details what happens if the vendor doesn't meet the standards. It might include financial penalties, such as service credits, which are discounts on future bills. These penalties motivate vendors to perform well and give clients a way to recover losses if services are not up to par. Another important part is the termination clause. If the vendor repeatedly fails to meet the agreed standards, the client has the right to end the contract without penalty. This protects the business from ongoing poor service. Dispute resolution procedures are also included in an SL. If disagreements happen, the agreement might specify mediation or arbitration instead of expensive court battles. This helps resolve issues quickly and fairly. Including a service-level agreement in a vendor contract also supports compliance with industry rules. For example, in financial services, regulators expect clear management of third-party vendors to protect sensitive data and ensure business continuity. If a vendor doesn't deliver the promised level of service, the client can use the SL to demand improvements, seek compensation, or even end the relationship. It reduces uncertainty and makes the vendor's obligations clear. In short, an SLA protects vendor contracts by setting clear, enforceable service expectations. It defines what happens if those expectations aren't met and provides a process for resolving problems. This legal framework helps keep the relationship reliable and minimizes risks for everyone involved.